कॉलेज में अट्रैक्टिव दिखना है, ये वीडियो पूरा देख।
What up y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special episode of It's gonna be all about fashion, styling, even lifestyle, mainly all about the culture. Yes, we'll be giving you fashion tips, but then it's mostly culture. What culture, you ask? What culture? Your sneakers, your streetwear, street style, hip-hop. So the first episode of this is going to be a very special one for all you college kids out there. This particular video is all about the do's and don'ts for college styling. You're still gonna fail your courses, but then at least you'll be wearing good clothes while failing.
Yeah, that's all that matters. These marks and shit, they can't make a man.
So let's start with the bottom, the sneakers.
The sneakers.
One black canvas sneaker and one all-white leather sneaker. They're equally important for your college, which is something I talked about in my last video, which was all about the 3 most essential pairs of sneakers you need to have for this summer. I'll link it here. You can go check it out.
You have your sneakers on the whole day, so you need to make sure they're comfortable enough.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
this is the perfect sneaker for everything.
Yeah, it goes around like if you're wearing it, I think you'll forget that you're wearing even shoes after like a half an hour.
The comfort
you won't
is
even
crazy.
notice. Yeah, that is most comfortable sneakers.
These sneakers, they can get a bit pricey. I mean, this is how much an Ultra Boost costs right now in India. For college kids who are generally always broke.
Yeah,
I don't know if you guys are. I definitely was broke in college, and I'm sure you also were broke in college. So we need sneakers which are say under. It's okay. we need sneakers which are under say I think 3,000, 4,000.
Yeah. Your average sneaker, if you're buying the slip-ons, definitely try if you can get the Ultra Push version. So it's a lightweight silhouette.
Yeah.
It's the same exact sneaker but made out of it light. The sole is very light, and even the foam that they use as the undersole. It's very light.
And even for girls, if you want to know how to style them, I saw a few outfit pictures in them on Shivani Borwa's Instagram.
Yeah.
For guys, the outfits inspirations, go check out our pages only and other pages.
I'm wearing the old schools usually. The picture is right here. Yeah.
From sneakers, I also want to talk about socks. So in the morning, I know many of college students, they wake up, they just put on sports shoes without socks, and they come up to class, they sit beside you, and they smell like shit.
I used to do that way back. Okay, let's not get into it. I wear socks.
We've all made mistakes in the past.
We've done that.
We learn from our mistakes, and now we don't want you to make the same mistakes.
Yeah. Wear socks.
Wear socks, and please, college kids, when you wake up in the morning, I know you're in a hurry to get to your class, but you gotta wear shoes, man. Don't wear slides.
No slides.
It's slides. I think slides, slippers, sandals are not acceptable in any situation.
Unless they're Gucci.
Unless they're Gucci.
Yeah, unless you're flexing. Unless you're a millionaire, you can show up in a robe. Unless you're one of that. Maybe that. Unless you're one of them, don't. Just don't.
And if you're watching this video, definitely not a millionaire.
Yeah. Definitely. During my college days, I used to dress myself down on, the distressed denims were getting in. It was a little bit hard for me to actually, put them out because I used to get too much attention. People were not used to seeing distressed denim out there. Since I'm a skinny guy, I used to wear very skinny chinos, sometimes cargos as well.
So where do you think these broke college kids should buy their denims from?
So my go-to options are H&M, Zara definitely.
I think Zara has a much better fitment than H&M, but then H&M is cheaper.
H&M has a lot of basics, I would say. Zara has a lot of, out there trendy denims. Yeah, Zara is expensive, but you can definitely check out Zara during sale
season.
Yeah, sale is good.
And I suggest only buy clothes when they're on discount.
On discount.
That's what I do 90% of the time.
Me too. I can't do my shopping without the discounts. The discounts are
why even buy shit when it's not on discount?
Yeah.
Do let us know if you want us to do a shopping vlog sort of a thing.
Yeah, shopping spree definitely. We can have like a budget for you guys.
We'll go to the mall and then maybe we can.
Maybe if they allow us to
comment down below, dude, let us know.
If this video gets like 500 likes, we'll definitely do this.
50 likes. More like 50 likes. I'm gonna do it, man.
I'm leaving.
My standards are pretty low, man.
50 likes and you go and he'll shave his head.
I'm more of a shorts kind of a guy. Throughout my entire summers in college, I always used to wear shorts only. I feel very liberated to be wearing shorts in college in the summers.
Yeah.
Good airflow, especially in basketball shorts. H&M has really good sweat shorts because you already know if you buy a solid color right now this season, next season you wouldn't want to wear that, and that's fast fashion.
Initially you should go for basic colors. One is black. You can go for mauve grey.
And even navy blue.
Navy blue, you can go for it. White, if you can take care of it, definitely go for a white one. I think these 4 colors will do for you.
I think apart from the basics like whites and blacks, which you should anyway have when you're in college, I think one good palette of colors to have would be the pastel colors.
Definitely, this pastel colors are in the season.
Very in, and they're very easy to rock.
They are. I think with the darker denims, you can go wear any color.
And what about polos? So I remember when I was in college, I used to rock polos only when I had some presentation to a professor or something, or I had to go cry to a professor about attendance.
Definitely, polos are for me. Polos are very semi-formalish. Definitely, you can buy good polos are out there at H&M. I've seen a lot of nautical colorways.
I think essentially, if you want to look a bit smarter, a bit more intelligent, then polos. And that also brings me to the next topic, which is accessories, and in that specifically spectacles, because spectacles make you look smarter, a little more mature, and
quite studious.
Yeah, and very studious. So if that's the vibe that you want to go for, by all means go ahead. One very safe pair of spectacles would be the half rim sort of glasses.
The Club Masters that you're talking about? The Ray-Ban Club Masters, something like that?
I guess, yeah.
Yeah, it's not necessary that you buy expensive brands.
Yeah, I think in glasses you should never ever buy very expensive brands. I think Ray-Ban etc. are not really worth it. I think your budget for one pair should be a maximum of 1500 to 2000.
So I recently checked out on Flipkart, Carrera frames selling for a good discount on Flipkart.
Moving on to other accessories like neck pieces and then your bracelets and your rings, etc. I think for college outfits they should keep it very, very, very simple. Maybe just a simple chain without anything hanging, and then maybe a simple bracelet like beads or something, just one or max 2.
Yeah, do accessorize something around your watch. Definitely moving on to the watch. What watches do you prefer here?
So I think for college purpose, the watch has to be very durable, because since you're a college kid, you're very lousy and you're clumsy and you just will keep banging here and there.
Yeah.
Both meanings of banging, hopefully. Since that's gonna happen, you're gonna break your watch if it's like a very delicate one. So I think the G-Shock collection works really well.
Every guy should own a G-Shock.
Every guy should own at least one G-Shock. I think a white G-Shock should be the staple.
I mean, go for blacks as well. I'm in both ways. Both of them pretty much work out with all outfits.
For all those who are like not really fans of the chunky G-Shocks.
Yeah. You can go for the smaller ones, the slim G-Shocks as we call it.
Don't go for the fake ones because they won't last.
Why do you want to buy a fake one when you can get an original one
for like 2K?
Yeah, 2K, 3K, whatever.
Yeah. Moving like further up.
So if you're born like me, you need to accessorize, you know.
You're not born up.
Yeah, I've got hair, but I was just too lazy to, get my styling on. So definitely you can pull up a nice hat.
Anyway, because we know that in college you can get a little lazy in the morning. If you're getting late for class, don't be late for class because you were like setting your hair up, using a blow dryer and that. Just wear a cap, or apart from a cap, if you don't like wearing caps, then you can go for bandanas. You can go for those Nike sweatbands.
Or the Supreme ones if you can afford that shit.
Yeah, and if you can afford that shit, you wouldn't be watching this video.
Also one trick that I do, so I wear a hat for like 1 or 2 hours, and then it just gives me a nice volume just to put my hair like slick back, so I don't have to go to the hassle of blowing them dry. So nice slick back, pull back hair that you get. So if you got your undercut done, and if you got a really nice hairstyle going, so I think put on your hat for like an hour or 2, and then you'll be good to go. No blow dries here. Let's talk about backpacks.
Backpacks are the most important thing for a student. First day of the college, and you go to your class in those 6 sneakers, they're clean as fuck, and then you got a very clean outfit on, accessorized and all that. Hair game is strong, everything is strong, and then you got a shitty backpack.
Yeah.
Ruins the look.
Puma is offering good backpacks. Adidas, Nike is a good one.
And the best part about I think Nike, Adidas and Puma is that there's a lot of durability in them.
Yeah.
They'll last you throughout the year.
Yeah. Also, if you don't want that sporty aesthetic,
आप थोड़ी mature bag ले जाओ.
Zara has good backpacks. The leather ones. These are really good. But don't kill animals.
If you're actually carrying a lot of books, a lot of heavy stuff, then definitely go for good durable brands like Nike, Adidas. But then if you're just carrying a lightweight laptop or just a notebook, etc., like there's not much stuff that you're carrying, then definitely go for the unbranded, more trendier version, so that you can just switch your backpacks in say 1 or 2 months.
Yeah. So maybe if you don't want to spend too much on a single backpack, you should go for a lower budget.
Yeah,
Maybe
correct.
get two. Yeah, depends on how you want to style it. Definitely, there are a lot of patterns out there.
And if you found these tips useful, definitely share these with your friends so that your whole gang looks really fresh.
Yeah, if you follow most of it that we just talked about, I think you'll be the coolest guy on campus.
Yeah. Have a fashionable semester. All the best for college.
Yeah, you rock.